Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to edit a PDF file on mobile, so let's jump right into it. First, make sure that you have a PDF file ready already on your phone. After that, go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Microsoft 365. Once you find it, download it. I have already downloaded it, so let's start right away. Go ahead and open the app, the Microsoft app, and then to import the PDF file, tap here, and then tap on this device, tap on storage. From here, look for the folder that you have the PDF in, and then tap on the PDF file. Once the PDF file loads up, tap on the three dots right here, and then tap on Convert to Word. Give it a second. And then go ahead and tap and edit however you want. Once you're done, tap on the tick on the top right here. And then to save it, tap on the three dots right here and then tap on Share as a PDF. From here, tap on your files. Choose the folder that you want this PDF to be saved in and then tap on Save. And here you go. The second method is to long tap on the PDF file from your Files Manager and then tap on Share or Send depending on your phone, and then look for Convert to Word. Tap on it. Give it a second again, edit it, and then do whatever you want to it. After that, tap on the tick right here and go ahead and save it the same way you have saved it earlier, and that's how you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.